If you want to know how to fix a Snapchat story not posting, you've come to the right place. So firstly, I'm going to open the Snapchat and I'm going to create story. And now we can easily click on our story, and as you can see, it was automatically sent, so everyone will be able to see it according to our privacy settings, of course. And what if we need to fix it? What if you have the problems that your story is not posting? So I have a couple of steps you need to follow to fix this problem. And the first way, we need to check, do we have like Wi-Fi connection or mobile data connection? Because without internet, you won't be able to post them, you won't be able to send them. So the first thing I'm going to suggest is that you need to check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. The next thing we need to do is that we need to open our App Store or Google Play, depends on your mobile type. And after that, search for Snapchat directly in the search bar. And we need to open the page with this app. And as you can see, I have the open button only, but if you have the update button, you need to upgrade your Snapchat to the latest version, because especially on the Android, sometimes they do not support the old versions, so you won't be able to use some features of Snapchat, especially, for example, like posting stories. So this could be number 2 reason why can't you post a story on Snapchat. And the next thing we can do is that we need to open our settings and then scroll down to find our Snapchat settings. So open this page, and as you can see, I have a couple of things I can use, and what's really important is that background app refresh feature is turned on. It's really important, especially for story posting on a Snapchat. So if this feature is turned off as for you, please make sure that you turn this function on. Now we need to go back and scroll to the upside to open like general settings right up here, and then click on iPhone storage. So on the Android, there is the same folder, but another navigation. And here we need to find the Snapchat also. And as you can see, we have 2 buttons, upload app and delete. And here we need to click on upload. So after that, our app will be automatically deleted, but the data will be stored on the iPhone. So don't worry, or Android. And then we need to click on re-upload the app. So after that, we'll receive the Snapchat back, and we'll be able to open the Snapchat and then just basically post the stories. But if it's still not available as for us, then we need to open the Snapchat profile page, and here click on settings in the right top corner. And now we need to scroll down to find basically support, and we need to click on I need help. So after that, we need to find the necessary topic we are going to like submit a report, and I'm going to click on using Snapchat, the first line. And after that, as you can see, we have a couple of options, but here we need to find something related with stories. So let's click on stories and discover, and here we need to click on creating stories, or we can also choose like managing. And from this page we need to find the necessary topic, and for example, how to create private or shared story on Snapchat, for example, like this. And then we need to click on was this article helpful. We need to click on no, click on submit, and then just click on contact us. So after that, on this page, we need to click on I found back and yes. And once more, the camera, for example, and the little bit camera features. So now we need to open this field here to find this field, and we need to fill it like username, email address, mobile number, and basically description. And after that, we'll be able to contact the Snapchat support team. We need to click on submit, and in a few hours they will receive our message, and probably they will help us to fix it. So we won't be able to change something, they will fix it from themselves. So this is the way of how can we fix a Snapchat story not posting. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.